You guys are in for a real treat today. We're here at 2184 Round Top Drive. It's a 4-bedroom, 5.5 bath, listed at $3.48 million. Let's go take a look at this puppy. So the first thing you notice when you step into this house is this 78-foot long swimming pool right in the middle of your living room. I wonder how many people fell in this thing. Now we're up on the second floor. As you can see, we've got an open floor concept, bunch of living, working, kitchen areas, all open, perfect for entertaining and throwing parties. And the piano comes free, but as long as you buy the house. So this house has a whole bunch of colors. We've got yellow, we've got green, we've got blue. It's the closest thing you're gonna get to Skittles. Might as well taste the rainbow. So this house has won a number of awards in a bunch of different architectural magazines, as you can see by its unique designs and colors. Now for those of you who are out of shape like me, we got you covered. An elevator from the first floor to the second and all the way up to the third. So thank you for touring 2184 Round Top Drive. It's listed at $3.48 million. If you're interested in something like this, hit me up. I can help you out. Take it easy.